Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to do motion tracking in Capcut PC. So this is a Capcut video editing tutorial, and for you to be able to get started, just click onto the new project here onto the upper part corner of the screen. So this will open the Capcut video editor app. And the first thing that you need to do in here is to import the video that we're going to use. So you could just simply click onto the import text in here so that you could add in a video, audio, or photo, or you could simply drag and drop the video that you want to use. So as you can see, we have the video already in here. So let's try to add this here onto our timeline just like that. So let's try to adjust first so that we could add in our motion tracking in here. For this one, we need to add this one 2 times, just like that, so that it should look like this. So right after, we'll just have to choose the first video that we have in here. And here onto the upper right corner of the screen, we could see the tracking. So simply click onto that, and there is an option for motion tracking in here. So we'll ask for the direction, so you could actually choose forward or backward for that. And for the scale, it will follow the tracking object and distance as well. So we could try to go ahead and move this yellow icon to fit in the object that we want to go ahead and track. So for example, this specific person is what we want to go ahead and track. And what we need to do right after is we could go ahead and try to click on to start. So this will start tracking your video, and then we'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. And then right after it has successfully tracked, it should go ahead and look something like this. And that is just basically it onto how to use emotion tracking on Capcut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.